Hey, how you doing? It's Mike with the BBQ Depot. Today we're gonna go over our LX3943 burner that we make. It's a sear burner for a Lynx Sedona grill. It will replace the OEM part, the 33943. We manufactured this burner as a exact copy, same stainless, same ceramic, everything's exactly the same. So this is the original burner. That's how the burner looks when the original burner. So we're gonna show you how to install it too. There is a little bolt here that you have to take off on the left side. I think it's a 7/16. That's what holds the burner in. So you would just kind of pull up from the back, slide it out, and then you would do the same thing just in reverse with our burner here. Slide it in. You can put the screw back in here. So there you go. Same exact heat, same exact burner, lights just the same. The advantage of really purchasing this burner that we make, the aftermarket, is you're gonna save, roughly $100 because these companies here, they don't manufacture the whole burner anyways. So this is something that we're just trying to do to help people out, save them some money, give them a great quality part. If you have any questions in regards to this burner or any other parts, it can be Lynx parts, Sedona parts, or any grill manufacturer, you can call us toll free, 877-983-0451, or you can go to thebbqdepot.com.